10 ways on how to use your paycheck to grow wealth. Imagine getting your paycheck, and instead of it disappearing by the end of the month, it actually works for you. What if every dollar you earn could grow into more money over time? Today, we'll uncover 10 practical ways to use your paycheck to build real wealth, starting today. 1. Pay yourself first. Think of your paycheck as a pie. Most people eat their pie first: bills, groceries, entertainment. And whatever is left, they try to save. But wealthy people flip the script. They pay themselves first. Even 10% of your income, automatically invested or saved, sets the foundation for long-term growth. Treat your future self as a top priority, and your money will start working before you even spend a dime. 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Imagine losing your job or facing an unexpected medical bill. Without a safety net, you'll be forced to borrow and pay interest, the enemy of wealth. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. It's boring, yes, but this fund is your first shield. Think of it as the foundation of your financial fortress. 3. Maximize employer benefits. Many people overlook the perks that come with their paycheck. 401k matches, health savings accounts, stock options. All these benefits are free money. If your employer matches your 401k, contribute at least enough to get the full match. Not using these benefits is like leaving a bonus on the table every month. Remember, every dollar your employer gives you can grow into double or triple in the long run. 4. Automate savings and investments. Discipline is the difference between wealth and just getting by. Automating your finances removes temptation. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to savings, index funds, or retirement accounts. Out of sight, out of mind, yet growing steadily. Even small amounts invested consistently snowball into significant wealth, thanks to the magic of compounding. 5. Pay down high-interest debt. First, credit cards and personal loans with high interest are like a leak in your bucket of wealth. No matter how much you earn, interest will drain it. Use your paycheck strategically. Pay off debts with the highest rates first. Each dollar freed from debt becomes a dollar you can invest, turning your money from a liability into an asset. 6. Invest in low-cost index funds. A paycheck without a plan is like a ship without a rudder. It will drift aimlessly and you may never reach your financial goals. Many people earn their hard-earned money, spend it, and then wonder where it all went by the end of the month. The secret to building real wealth is knowing exactly where your money is going and making sure a significant portion of it works for your future, not just your present. Start by tracking every single expense. You don't need fancy tools or complicated software. Even a simple spreadsheet or budgeting app can give you a clear picture. Break your spending into categories: bills, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and most importantly, savings and investments. When you see your money on paper, you can spot leaks, unnecessary spending, and opportunities to redirect cash toward growth. Now, make reviewing your budget a monthly habit. Ask yourself, can I save a little more this month? Can I invest in something that grows faster than my bank account? These small, consistent adjustments compound over time, just like your investments. By taking control of your finances, you move from being reactive to proactive. Every paycheck becomes a powerful tool, steering you confidently toward long-term wealth, financial security, and true freedom. 7. Diversify your income. Your paycheck is just the beginning. Think of it as seed money. Can you use part of it to create another income stream? Maybe a side hustle, rental property, or an online business. Multiple income streams reduce risk and accelerate wealth. The more your money earns for you, beyond your 9 to 5, the faster your wealth compounds. 8. Invest in yourself. And the most powerful asset you own isn't a stock, a house, or even a business. It's you. Every paycheck you earn gives you the opportunity to invest in yourself. And this is the smartest investment you can make. Imagine using just a portion of your income to learn a new skill, earn a professional certification, or attend a workshop that sharpens your expertise. This isn't spending, it's strategic investing in your future. Think about it. A single skill could open doors to promotions, higher paying jobs, or freelance opportunities. It could increase your income by thousands each year, often far more than you'd make from traditional investments alone. Unlike the stock market, which fluctuates and carries risk, investing in yourself consistently pays dividends in confidence, capability, and opportunity. Even small steps matter. Reading a book on leadership, taking an online course, or learning a digital tool could transform your career trajectory. Over time, these seemingly small investments compound, just like money in the bank, but with a higher potential return. Your mindset matters too. By prioritizing growth, learning, and skill building, you turn yourself into a wealth machine, one that generates returns no financial instrument can match. Your future self will thank you. 9. Monitor and adjust your budget. A paycheck without a plan is like a ship without a rudder. It will drift aimlessly, and you may never reach your financial goals. Many people earn, spend, and wonder where all their money went by the end of the month. And the key to building wealth is understanding exactly where your money's going and making sure a significant portion is working for your future. Start by tracking every expense. You don't need complicated tools. A simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app can give you a clear picture. Break your spending into categories: bills, groceries, entertainment, and most importantly, savings and investments. Once you know where your money is going, you can identify leaks and opportunities. Make it a habit to review your budget every month. Ask yourself, could I save a little more this month? Could I invest a portion in something with higher growth potential? Small adjustments, repeated consistently, create massive impact over time. By taking control of your finances, you shift from being reactive to proactive. Every paycheck becomes a tool, a lever to grow wealth rather than just cover expenses. With this habit, you steer your financial ship confidently toward long-term security and financial freedom. 10. Think long-term, not short-term. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a story written paycheck by paycheck, decision by decision. Avoid the temptation of instant gratification. That new gadget or trendy trip might feel good today, but can delay your financial freedom tomorrow. Instead, envision your future self, debt-free, financially secure, and able to live life on your terms. Let that vision guide how you use each paycheck. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.